Good morning, students. You are welcome in the 8th chapter in Social Science, The Land of Sand. In this chapter, our learning outcomes are location, land, and climate of Saudi Arabia, vegetation and wildlife, economic activities, life of the people, their nomadic tribe, Bedouins, and cities of Saudi Arabia. So let's start about them one by one. Deserts are dry lands. They receive very little rainfall. And there are two types of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. See, in this map, it is shown that most hot deserts are located on the western side of the continents. Here, the yellow color is showing the hot desert of the world. These are California desert in North America, Atacama desert in South America, Sahara desert, which is the largest desert in the world, is situated in the North Africa, and Kalahari desert in the South Africa, West Australian desert in Australia, and Arabian desert and Thar desert in Asia. So in this chapter we are going to learn about Arabian desert. Now the location of Saudi Arabia. The Arabian Peninsula in the southwest of Asia is a hot desert. Saudi Arabia occupies most of the peninsula. Saudi Arabia is the fifth largest country in Asia. It is surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen. The Red Sea is in the west, and the Persian Gulf is in the east of Saudi Arabia. Now, land. Most of Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. About half of the country is a barren desert. There are mountains on the western side near the Red Sea. The interior of the country is covered with sand. Rubal Khali in the south and An-Nafad in the north are the continuous bodies of sand. As you can see in this map, it is marked by orange color. This region is dotted with sand dunes. Strong winds often shift the dunes from one place to another. Fresh water. There are no lakes and permanent rivers in Saudi Arabia. The wadis or streams that are formed after the rain last for a short time. So there is an acute shortage of fresh water in the country. Now, climate. Saudi Arabia has an extremely hot climate. There is hardly any rainfall. In fact, there may be no rainfall for several years. The summer season lasts from May to September. The weather is very hot and dry during the daytime, and the nights are relatively cool. The winter season lasts from October to April month. The days are warm while the nights are very cold. In the coastal areas, the temperatures are mild and sandstorms are common in all seasons. Now, vegetation. Plants that grow here can withstand the hot and dry weather. Most plants have long roots which go deep into the soil in search of water. They also have soft and fleshy roots and stems to store water. The trees like sage, tamarisk, and date palm grow here. Wildlife. Many animals are found here. Different types of insects, snakes, and scorpions live in the desert. Falcons and eagle, vultures, rabbits, mice, and wild goats are commonly found here. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. Its feet are adapted to walk on sand. It can also live without food and water for many days. Now, economic activities. A very small part of Saudi Arabia is suitable for growing crops. The main agricultural products are wheat, rice, alfalfa, dates, and vegetables. Water needed for irrigation and domestic use is obtained by desalinating of seawater. And date palm grows in areas where the underground water comes to the surface. Such an area is called an oasis, and permanent settlements are found near oases. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producers of petroleum in the world. Almost the entire income of the country comes from the export of petroleum. The government is developing different types of industries such as petrochemicals, petroleum refining, power generation, and telecom. These industries employ a large number of people. Now, life of the people. The discovery of petroleum has changed the lifestyle of the people. The money earned from exporting petroleum is being used for the development of the country. Towns and cities have grown rapidly. The people who were nomads earlier now lived a settled life. They work as traders or in factories. People in villages still lead a traditional life. Most people live by tending flocks of sheep, goats, and camels. Some people still lead a nomadic life. They move from one place to another in search of pastures and water sources. Life of the people. Arab men wear loose and long sleeved one piece dress that covers the whole body. They also wear a cloth over their head held in place by a ring woven from camel hair. Women wear loose black cloaks, and people in cities wear western clothes. Now, Bedouins. Bedouins are nomadic people. They lead a very hard life. Most of them live by breeding camels, sheep, and horses. They get milk from the animals and use the hair of these animals to make clothes, tents, and rugs. And during summer, the Bedouins camp near an oasis. In winter, they follow the routes through the desert where there is water. They exchange lambs, sheep, goats, wool, carpets, and camels for date, food grains, and other useful things. And the lifestyle of the Bedouins is now changing. Many have given up their nomadic ways and have a settled life in urban areas. Now, cities in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has many cities, both old and new. The new cities have all the modern facilities. Riyadh is the capital of the country, and it is the modern city with skyscrapers, parks, markets, educational institutions, and hospitals. Jeddah is a commercial city and a busy port. Makkah and Medina are the holy cities in Saudi Arabia, and people come here for pilgrimage. Now, that's all in this chapter of Saudi Arabia. Thank you.